Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be using AI to generate script, edit. I'll create a faceless YouTube video by using ChatGPT to write the script and create a video by using a brand new AI tool. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, it's very easy to use. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write a script for your YouTube idea. For this example, I've asked ChatGPT to write us a full 5-minute script for a video about best AI tool for video avatar generator. As you can see, ChatGPT is doing its thing and writing out the full script for us. When creating a faceless YouTube channel, this is the part that takes the most time. So, it's really nice that we have this tool available to expedite the time it takes to create the script. ChatGPT has gone ahead and created a full-length YouTube script for us. The script starts off by saying, "Have you ever wished to create a video avatar that looks and talks like you?" With the advancements in AI technology, it's now possible to generate a video avatar in minutes. If you wanted to expand any of these specific sections, you could do that by copying that section, pasting it in, and asking ChatGPT to expand that paragraph. As you can see, ChatGPT will go ahead and expand that paragraph for you. It's really easy for you to get a very long and in-depth script using ChatGPT, and you can do that for any section of your script. Once you've extended your YouTube script and you're happy with the overall script, the next step is to copy that script and head over to Pictory. Pictory is going to be the tool we'll be using to turn our script into a video. In my opinion, this is one of the best script to video tools you can use, and they make it very intuitive and easy to use. There's a link in the description for a free trial of Pictory if you want to try it out. Once you're on Pictory, there are a couple of ways in which you can turn your content into videos. You can do article to videos, you can edit your videos using text, or you could do visuals to a video. But for this example, we'll be using the script video template. To get started, go ahead and click proceed and enter the name of your video. Next, here is where you'll paste the full script for your YouTube video. So, I've gone ahead and entered the script onto a Google Doc, and I'm going to copy this over and paste it under Pictory. This way, it'll show us the amount of characters, and we can also do a spell check as well. Once you've pasted your script, you can then proceed to the next step, which is selecting your video style. Pictory offers a wide range of video styles to choose from, such as animated, live action, and whiteboard. For this example, let's say we've selected the animated style. Pictory allows you to fully customize the look and feel of your video to match your brand and aesthetic. You can proceed to the next step, which is adding music and sound effects to your video. Pictory has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can choose from. However, if you have your own music or sound effects that you'd like to use, you can also upload them. Once you've added your music and sound effects, you can preview your video and make any final edits before exporting it. Exporting your video is a straightforward process. Once your video is exported, simply download it, and you can use it to upload it on your YouTube channel. In conclusion, using ChatGPT and Pic3 can save you a lot of time and effort in creating high-quality videos for your YouTube channel. Give it a try and see how it can help you create more engaging and professional videos for your channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.